Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Adisha Shasana binti Hibat Azali. In this video, I'm going to explain about the implementation of a good laboratory practice, GLP, in a chemical laboratories. First, we go to the introduction. Good laboratory practice GLP is a quality assurance system that is often used in non-clinical laboratory studies and environmental safety studies carried out for the development of the chemicals, pharmaceutical, and another products. These studies are planned, performed, monitored, recorded, achieved, and reported. Laboratories can produce reliable and accurate results while making sure that all staff members are properly trained by following these standard processes. Thus, laboratories can generate reliable and constant outcomes by adhering to the GLP guidelines, which are crucial for the research, regulatory compliance, and forensic investigation. Now, we go to the importance of the GLP. First, minimize error during experiment and analysis. It reduces human mistake, equipment issue, and calculation slips by keeping every step constant from sample prep to the final data entry. Next, ensures compliance with regulatory standards. By following GLP, the laboratory avoids costly legal issues, fines, and product rejection by meeting both national and international requirements. Third, improve reproducibility of experiment results. Clear records of quantities, conditions, and steps allow any analyst to repeat the experiment and achieve the same results. And fourth, builds trust in laboratory findings. Clients, laboratories, and the wider scientific communities trust the data's accuracy and reliability because it is handled with a strong integrity. Next, we go to the 10 principles of GLP. Number 1. Organization and personnel responsibility. Hire qualified staff with the right training and experience. Offer ongoing learning to keep everyone updated on current practice and rules. Clearly document each person's role and duty. Number 2. Building and facility. Design lab areas with safety in mind to prevent contamination. Keep the environment in a good condition. Follow all safety steps and guidelines when working with hazardous items. Number 3. Equipment calibration and maintenance. Keep equipment in a good condition through regular checks and calibration. Confirm it works properly by validating it and make sure everyone is trained to use it safely. Number 4. Standard Operating Procedure SOPs. Create clear, updated SOPs for every lab procedure, ensure all staff follow them, and review them often to keep up with the current practice and laws. Number 5. Sample handling. Use clear techniques to collect samples and avoid contamination. Keep a clear system for tracking and labeling them. Store each sample in a way that protects its quality. Number 6. Method validation. Check each technique to confirm it gives steady and accurate results. Ensure it can identify the target analyte clearly without another substance getting in the way. Number 7. Data management. Keep complete and clear records of all observation and data. Use secure system with audit trails to protect data integrity and maintain strict privacy for all information. Number 8. Quality controls. Use control sample to check that analytical methods are working as expected. Join external testing programs to confirm accuracy. Carry out regular internal audits to spot and fix issue early. Number 9. Proper documentation and record keeping. Follow all rules and regulations. Support a workplace built on honesty. Report any issue or corrective action as soon as possible. And the last one, number 10. Storage and retention of records and materials. Set up a simple ways to gather ideas for improvements. Encourage ongoing development for everyone. Support fresh thinkings and the use of new tools and methods. Next is the common mistake without GLP. The real-world disaster, the New England Compounding Center NECC outbreak 2012. This is one of the most tragic and famous modern examples of failed sample handling, environmental control, and clean room hygiene. The NECC was a facility for using steroid injection. Personnel ignored basic clean room handling procedure, failed to properly sterilize equipment, and didn't isolate patients. Samples were exposed to dirty, mold-infested air conditioning units right next to where sterile solutions were handled. The injection became contaminated with a deadly fungus, Extrahelium rostentum. Over 700 people contracted fungi meningitis and more than 60 patients died. The executive and lab oversight heads face criminal charge and prison sentences. And lastly, the challenges in maintaining GLP. First, high cost of implementation and maintenance requires expensive specialized infrastructure, continuous feeds of certificate instrument calibrations, and secure compliance data management software. Second, need for continuous staff training. Every time SOPs change, staff must be continuously retrained. To demonstrate employee competency to auditors, each training season must be thoroughly documented. Third, time-consuming documentation process. Meticulous real-time logging of every sample, reagent, and measurement create massive administrative overhead, often consuming more time than the actual lab. And fourth, ensuring constant compliance by all personnel. Overcoming human error, complacency, or the temptation to take shortcuts require a strict culture of total accountability and constant monitoring.